Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Brown Barber Club. Today I'm very excited, but before we get started, I just want to thank each and every one of you who have been watching our videos since from day one and have been commenting on every video, commenting on Instagram videos as well. So thank you, really appreciate the support. And if you are tuning in for the first time on this video on this channel, I just want to give you a quick intro. We are two brothers from engineering background. We post videos about our garage gym, powerlifting, strongman, and everything that we are doing in our garage gym with the limited equipment. So if this excites you, please feel free to subscribe. Really appreciate it. Alright, now the reason for my excitement, which is new addition to our garage gym. So as you guys know, we don't have any dumbbells in our garage. We have this like deadlift platform, squat platform, wall mount squat rack. We have done an installation video. If you want to check it out, you can check it out. So the dumbbell handles that we bought are called Olympic Fat Stubby dumbbell handles. And they are by one of the company called Northern Lights, which is based in Ontario, Canada. In this video, I will unpack those dumbbell handles. I will show you what exercises you can do. So stay tuned till end of this video for a quick review of these dumbbell handles. Okay guys, we got the handles here. Let's open these packages and let's see how they look like. Alright, they look really good. I mean, finishing is really good. They are like 2-inch in diameter and length is 20-inch. You can use your 2-inch plates that you use for your normal barbell. Looks good. Let's put them to use. Let's move to our garage gym.
Assembly is pretty simple. Because of 2-inch diameter, standard Olympic plates can be used. The best thing I have found out after buying these dumbbells is that you don't have to buy another collars. You can just fit on the existing collars that you use for your barbell. You can even use the standard bay clips that you see in your gym. These handles are 2-inch in diameter near the grip area. These handles are hollow, but they are constructed out of steel. It has black powder coat finish. Total length of these dumbbell handles is 20-inch. It has 7-inch sleeves, which is non-rotating, so it will not rotate just like a bar. One dumbbell handle weighs is around 5 lbs. It can safely hold 4 Olympic weight plates.
Alright, you guys saw the dumbbell handles. They look really good. So I'm gonna review these handles on 5 different parameters. The first one will be the price. I will say they're really cheap. Under $40 you can have these awesome looking and really durable dumbbell handles which you can use for multiple purposes. The second parameter will be finish. They're very well done when it comes to finishing and which give these dumbbell handles a really aesthetic look if you want to add it to your garage gym. The third parameter will be multiple use. As you guys saw that these can be used for different exercises as well. But I think the one thing that we are really happy to have these, because they have these fat chubby handles just like Olympic circus dumbbell, so these can be used for the strongman exercises as well. Next thing will be space utilization. As a garage gym owner, I have to make sure that I utilize my garage space as efficiently as possible. Due to the bad weather, sometimes I have to like park my cars inside as well, so I cannot afford to have the whole stack of dumbbells. That's why it's a huge deal for me to have these dumbbells, because they save a lot of space for me. And the second thing is, you can use the existing place that you have for your barbell for the same dumbbell handles. So I think it's a huge win. Last but not the least, which is durability. I have to make sure everything that I'm buying for my garage gym is durable, because I don't want to spend any money on the cheap equipment. As we have been using these dumbbell handles from one last month, and we have been dropping from overhead position as well, there is hardly any damage or wear and tear on these dumbbell handles, for which I'm really happy. Alright, that was my 2 cents about these dumbbell handles. I really love them and I highly recommend them if you are a garage gym owner. I hope you like the video. I hope you like our review. Please feel free to subscribe. Until next video, stay strong, stay safe.